Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use app for bulk converting TSV files into CSV files. Here on my computer I have a state TSV file, and because I have a TSV viewer I can double click on it. You can download this TSV viewer. I will link on this app too. It's just simple apps showing what is inside TSV and allow you to sort and export also in different formats, but one file by file. But the main advantage of this app, I can see what is inside TSV file. So you can see we have a list of states, and I'm going to convert this list of states to CSV format, and in order to do that I will download and install app on my computer from this website. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find app I will click on search and type TSV. To get all TSV format and click on convert TSV file, then click on TSV to CSV and click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. TSV is relatively close to CSV format. It's also text-based, but different separators being used. I will be recording more TSV apps and more converting apps, so if you're interested in seeing more, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I have it here, so I'll just click to open archive, double click on MSI to start installation, and click on more info here. Now I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see a shortcut appear on my desktop, and now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Conversion from TSV to CSV is a 3-steps process. In first step I will select my TSV files. I can click on this button and go and select one file by one by one, or I can click and select multiple files like this, or I can click and hit Ctrl A to select all files if I want to select all files in folder. And also this application can be executed from command line. I will add to the same page, I will add instruction how to do conversion, like if you have like 100 files and you don't want to use app, or you want to schedule conversion, in Windows Task Manager, and convert all files from that drop into incoming folder. It's possible to do that without UI from command line. Application will respond on command line parameters, and I will add how to do it onto page. Now let's go and finally select my state TSV, click on next step. If first row of the input file has column names, I will leave it checked. Usually for TSV files this is the case. The first row contains column names, not a data. So I will keep it on, then click on next step and click on run to save the file. The application will ask me for name and locations of the CSV files, excuse me, and this name and location is okay. I'll just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file, click access, and I also have a CSV viewer. It's similar app, and it shows what inside in CSV, but just for different for demonstration purposes, let's open into Excel Mobile. I don't have Excel on my computer, and it's just Excel viewer, but you can see everything has been converted, all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming, and everything is here. Basically that's it. It's simple app. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below as a comment on application page. Thank you for watching. Bye.